Everybody, it is Gary with Shatterproof, the Auto Glass podcast. We are here today live, just slightly north of downtown Salt Lake City here at Intermountain Jobbers. Let's go on inside and see what this open house is all about.
My name's Dave Leach. I am Chief Operating Officer with Automotive Glass. It probably makes no sense to anybody why I'm standing up here talking, but about 2 years ago, a little over 2 years ago, in partnership with Valley Glass, we purchased the assets of Intermountain Jobbers and have continued to operate it, hopefully, as what it's been since 1937, which is a source to buy stuff that's not the most corporate thing in the world. We have no desire to try to be one of the big guys. That's not what we do. What we do strive to do is have relationships with our customers, share what we know, share how we do things in an effort to help you guys. That said, welcome. We moved to this facility about a year ago. About a year ago. It's been in constant re-rack, rebuild, moving from a facility downtown that they've been in since 1937, accurate? I'm looking for Mark or Casey.
Over here. We moved
37, am I right? He's behind the post. Anyway, so we got an agenda today. The Benson guys asked us if we would have an open house, and it's to introduce their product. We've been using, in our retail businesses, we've been using Benson product for years. The quality has gotten better. We have a similar warehouse to this in California. We do not distribute in California. We use all the stuff we have in our building and all the calibers, which is kind of the thing now, right? So you guys have seen the evolution of auto glass over the last few, and what you've seen is it's harder to find parts. New parts are coming out daily. Parts are more expensive. The technology is changing. This is all good news for us, by the way, for all of us, because for the first time in decades, there's actually some money in the business. And thanks for calibration as part of that, but also it's raised our game as a group. We've raised our game as a group. It's a professional industry. I've seen it at the trade shows with people coming in and they're looking at $20,000, $25,000 pieces of equipment, and that's been years in the auto glass business where you couldn't solve a $15 cold knife because everybody's watching every nickel. And I know that's still the case to some degree, but there's a lot of opportunity in auto glass right now. What we strive to be at Intermountain Jobbers is your partner. We're just going to try to help. We trip and fall from time to time, but I can say this beyond the shadow of a doubt. The team that's here, Benson Rice, no relation to the vendor. He's our new manager. Chris Smith is our director of auto glass. Mark Naylor's our retired CEO. Alan's our CFO. There's Valley team all over the building. Casey, who with Mike were the hardest working people in auto glass distribution I've ever seen for years and years and years, and hopefully we're trying to make that a little bit easier as we go. But we're trying to retain the same feel and build better business for all of us. So today, we've got some demos. The Benson guys were kind enough to join us. Actually, that's what spawned this thing. They're going to talk about their product and some of the stuff that they're doing. We've got travelers here, and I want to recognize that. Lenny Hennessy from Neural Claims System, flew in from Austin. Gary Hart with the IGA, came in from Arizona. Mark O'Brien, who the CP guys are at every event, everywhere, and show unbelievable amounts of support to the industry. So thanks to them for coming. Tao from Launch Tech USA is with us as well. Who am I forgetting, guys? Somebody help me.
Peter Brown.
Peter Brown. That's saving him for last. The AGSC is rep here. We've got a couple guys from Don's. Jacques pulling double duty. He's our tech director for our business, our auto glass business, also an AGSC board member. Peter Brown from Boston gets the World Traveler Award. He flew over from Boston to hang out in this warehouse with us, and Jacques and he will be taking on the AGSC training for those that are here. That'll take place immediately following calibration. But Peter flew over on his own nickel to be part of this. And that's saying something because it's Saturday, you know, and he's got a business to run. I can't overestimate or overstate the amount of commitment it takes for these guys that are on this board because, contrary to popular belief, nobody gets paid. This is for a give back, and that's kind of what we're trying to do is give back to our customers and stuff. So I'm going to turn this over to the team from Benson. They got some stuff to show you, then we're going to go right into installation demo using the Frog, which is a business that we own, Frog and Out Tools, which is the stuff we use. It's that simple. We're quirky. We have what we think is a better idea with certain things, and we want to show it. So we'll show that, followed by a demo for calibration, and the AGSC training immediately following all that. So enjoy yourself, ask questions. There's a bunch of us around. We're all glass guys. We've been around for a long time, and anything we can do to help, we're here. Help with your business. If you got questions, if you're having trouble with something, we're here for you guys. So enjoy. Thanks for coming.